Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Alright, so let's do a quick recap. We had an uptrend going something like this. I was saying that until we break this uptrend going to the downside, that I'm expecting it to go up, but it broke to the downside right there. So the next thing I was looking at is the Fibonacci retracement levels. I said to watch the 38% level and the 50% level. We actually got support at that 38% level. That's why I like the dollar cost average, so that way we get each level as, I don't know, just so that way we don't miss out pretty much and get left behind. So basically what I'm looking at now though is we had a downtrend the last couple of days, and we had resistance right here, and resistance right here. That gave me this trend line going to the downside, something like that. We actually broke that trend line going to the upside right here. So basically we have at least this kind of pattern going, something like that. We had this support right here and right here. We could do this small triangle for right now. If we go and zoom out, we'll have a bigger triangle, but let's kind of look at this one for right now. So let's drag that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of around 0.349. If we can keep this momentum going, and I don't know, there's not a lot of volume there, so we're gonna have to wait and see on this. I did dollar cost average a little bit back more at the breakout right here, so yeah, I'm thinking that we can maybe come up here, but you never know. I think in general we're gonna have to retest some of these resistance lines right here, kind of like I was looking at on the total crypto market cap. In general, I think until we start breaking these ones, we're gonna have to be kind of still a little cautious. I'm gonna keep the Fibonacci retracement levels up until we do break this level right here. We still don't know if it's, I don't know, we still haven't really broken out of this. We still haven't broken this top yet, so I don't know. We're still gonna have to wait and see, basically. So let's take a look at Dogecoin to Bitcoin and see what's going on with these other charts. All right, so with Doge to Bitcoin, we had a downtrend, something like this. We're actually breaking above that one as well, slightly on the 4-hour time frame. Not a huge break to the upside though. It's just kind of slightly testing it. Maybe kind of, I don't know if it's faking out or what, but it's kind of just barely testing it, barely going through it. Let's go to the Ethereum to Dogecoin. Ethereum to Dogecoin. Alright, so we were watching this uptrend on Ethereum to Dogecoin, and we had this downtrend, something like this. Basically, we're still watching this triangle pattern right here. We still haven't broken to the upside or to the downside yet. So I think if we do though, we can maybe do target something like this from the top to the bottom, and either drag that to the breakout, top to the top, breaking up or breaking down, something like this. I don't know, the momentum is going up right now, so maybe we'll do something like this with a nice little clean breakout, maybe hit this target. But we won't know until we actually break out. So yeah, let's keep our eyes on that chart. That actually looks pretty interesting. So in general, yeah, I might be targeting this 0.348, somewhere around there. Let me know what you guys think about that. If you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up, and if you guys want to support the channel, check out the Patreon. You guys could get some custom videos.